Hey, my name is Shanshan. I sell art on shanshan.co. Make sure you join my contest. It's today's last day, but I just finished this painting. I started out with the really warm colors, these orange, yellow. I kind of added some highlight here at the very end. And then I added the yellow as well. I added turquoise, which is a dark turquoise, I think, with a little bit of red in it, so it's really dark. And I had some drips. You have them just coming in just a little bit, so I covered most of those drips, a little bit over there as well, but just enough to kind of echo that, which is always kind of symbolic of, loss, family loss. It's kind of weird to put that into a geometric work, but yeah. And then I added the red triangle, and I couldn't get exactly the same match color-wise, but it was pretty close. It's a challenge because this is a translucent color. It's red with it's a quin red with a phthalo green, and then you add gloss on top of that, so it lightens it and then it darkens. So to match that's a little challenging because it looks light, like kind of a pinkish, and it'll go to the dark red. So hopefully that's close. I don't think. Let me see how close it is. That's pretty. It's not too bad. I thought it was way off, but it's fairly close. It's not exact though. I could tell when I made it, but I guess I could have screwed around with it more, mixing the color. But I just kind of wanted to finish the painting because it was a little bit too yellow and light in the corner. It did have this really nice yellow with blue contrast, which is kind of the Ukrainian colors, but I didn't think it made sense with the light color in the end. I wanted to kind of cut it back with the dark in the corners. A little bit of light I think is good to kind of make it punchy, but I'd like to kind of close out the painting, so to say, so the energy is more in the middle. And then I highlighted some of these with orange on the end. I highlighted some of the reds. I left the other ones. I could have done like maybe the yellow, but I just left it. But hopefully you guys like it. I think, I was listening to a lot of the newscasts and a lot of, especially Reddit, on the Ukraine situation with Russia. So it's kind of like a battlefield feel to the work with a lot of violence and contrasting angles, which this style always has anyway, but it's more so because I've been watching the news more. So I tried a little bit different with the way I cut the initial, I think the greens, I kind of double triangled it there, and as well on the initial yellow or orange, I think I did the same, or the red, but there's not much of the red left, just a little bit here and there. This red is a really, really beautiful red. I kind of wish I kept more of it. I was going to originally stick with kind of a red to gray, but then I thought, well, these are kind of Nazi colors. I'm not really a Nazi, so I don't think I want to use those colors per se, but I like this kind of color combination with these bright orange to kind of make it really kind of that Miami feel at the same time. Hopefully you guys like it. If you want, you can go check it out. It'll be on www.shanshan.co.